Junkin' pool over here in Portville. What we got going here? Why they just can't stay away from each other. Looks like she might be chilled to the bone. She's gonna have to get a jacket on or something. Don, well, why didn't you offer her your jacket? If you don't eat it, she's hot. Anyway. Still showing that knee. So we went out picking a little bit today. Got a call for a job a few days ago. And we went out and loaded up some stuff. This quad is a runner. I pulled the carburetor off, but I was running on ether. I started cleaning it and started raining. I put some carburetor cleaner on it, so a lot of the stuff's flaking off. I've got the plastic and stuff over here. Gas tank right here. This is crazy though, the way they make this. You have to pull the gas tank off to take the spark plug out. So yeah, it's running on ether, fires right up and everything. But I'm going to clean the plug, or I'm going to run it before I put the tank and everything back on. I'll just run it with a temporary tank. Get the carburetor put back together. So I've got like 2 or 3 push mowers in here. A lot of just crap. And can't really see it, but I got a 350 Chevy engine in there. Carbureted engine. That's a cast aluminum lawnmower deck. That's pretty thick. Some nails if I don't spill them. You know, kind of industrial type commercial battery. I use that ramp on my ramps, and I come along to skid that motor up here. It actually worked pretty good. So he don't really know nothing about the motor. I do got a flywheel for one, and I think I got a carburetor if it happens to roll over. That might be a runner. Got the plug in it. That was really the only thing good I picked up. There's like a little trailer thing in here. It's all worth a little something. Part of a tractor rim. A couple rotors, I guess. I brought that board too to help skid it up. Dishwasher, which is nothing basically. Generally I'll put all the wire and stuff to the back. So when I get to the yard I kick that off first, but I don't know if I'm gonna, I think I'll take a lot of the stuff I won't take to the yard. That steel rim, I'll take that in as 3-footer, cut it up. More money. But not too much. The best score there was the battery and the motor. So I'll get this in oil, get the compressor out, get it off there and blow the cylinders out, get the dirt, dust out of them. And maybe I think I got a flywheel over here. It's about the only thing I kept when I sold that other motor, the 4-volt main. See if that flywheel fit on there. I believe it will. See if I can turn that motor over. I don't have a starter, but I can crank it over with a pry bar if I get a couple bolts in it. Junkin' Fool over here in Porterville. Just did a quick video of what we had going today. Not too much, just mostly golding. We picked up from this guy a couple of times, and actually his son is the one we got this S10 from. So S10 from. Told him we're going to be putting that on the road. Thanks for stopping by Porterville. Go find a project. Goodbye now.